Well, I figured I'd do a Saturday video since everybody's putting them up today. Martin Zender even put one out, and he might be doing one tomorrow. It's good. I'm so glad to have you guys, my brethren, putting up videos. Another brother I want to mention is Matt Gallagher. He's got a YouTube channel. It's Christ Saved You at the Cross, all one word. And I got him listed on my list of channels, recommended channels, on my shows. I put him up there every day so you can access it. So yeah, go check out his channel. Like he brings across a powerful message in his car while he's driving. That's awesome. Like I said, we're grassroots. We do our shows wherever. I do them in my garage, I do them in my office, wherever. Makes no difference. Do them outside while you're walking, as Mike Knotts does. He walks and does his show. I love that. It's straight up and coming at you. It's not fancy. I've been doing a little bit of editing on my videos, but that's just whatever. I'm having fun with it. I still bring across a message every day and a reading every day. I like to read, and that's just what I've been called to do. So I'm going to finish up 1 Corinthians 15, 55, verse 55. This is the last verse that he goes into here. And then on Monday, I will go into 1 Corinthians 16. So yeah, it's good to be here. Happy Saturday. Okay, verse 55. What a victory that will be. Now death is operating in our bodies at all times, and eventually succeeds in dragging us down to the grave. Then we shall not only be restored to life, but enjoy incorruption and deathlessness, and a body so changed and glorified that it corresponds to the one which befits the head of the universe. Yet the enjoyment and appreciation of the glory will depend on our previous humiliation. The Septuagint, one of the 3 ancient manuscripts, reads, O unseen, where is your sting? Hosea chapter 13 verse 14. And some manuscripts follow this reading, as the tendency is to conform a quotation to its original. It is probable that death was changed to unseen by a copyist who knew the Septuagint reading, but did not see that the apostle had enlarged the scope of the quotation to include the consummation, where there is no unseen. Everything's unveiled at the consummation. There's nothing left but life. Simple as that. Unveiling chapter 20 verse 14. And only the second death remains. A quotation is often varied from its original reading to fit it for its new context. And we're reading in context here. So you're going to see that death is simply the unseen. It's oblivion. That's all it is. Oblivion. So there are some of us, though, who are going to survive to the presence of the Lord. And that, I believe, is the company that is surviving right now. The believers that are surviving right now are going to survive to the presence of the Lord. If God decides to take one of us out, no big deal. We go to repose. We simply, on an instant to our very consciousness, our next conscious moment is being raised. And vivified, changed and vivified at the snatching away. So yeah, we don't have to suffer too much longer in these bodies of humiliation. The snatching away is coming swiftly. My focus always is our celestial allotment and enjoying our celestial allotment. We can enjoy that now, in spirit. That's why we have this calling, to enjoy it now, not later. I mean, these bodies drag us down. We go through the pit, through the rack. We suffer every day. Yes, we do, but it's for a purpose. And if we can be happy in that sense, spiritually, not happy physically, because none of us are happy physically like that, but in spirit, yes, we have that enjoyment. So let us enjoy that today and enjoy your Saturday. And we will talk to you on Monday. Have a great day.